Hey everybody, Assalamualaikum. Hopefully all of you doing great. By the way, this is my time to attend to my work site, and it's probably 7:40 a.m. and I have to get there. It's about 8 a.m. So it's been raining actually outside heavily, so that's why causes it to not effing a thin, and it's so heavily. It's been raining and it's causing me to interact to go there to attend to my work site, and everybody's it's like sleeping there, and completely it's raining, and it's today is I don't think anyway guys, into my life, and I'm getting off my road, and there everybody's everybody's sleeping there, and I was the only guy who today woke up earlier, and I'm about to show you what's happening out there, and I'll make sure that. And as I said before, there's raining heavily actually outside, and I'm not sure that you can hear me my sound or not. So as you can see slightly outside there, it's been raining actually. It's too heavily, I would say that, and we're trying to cooperate in that. And our manager, known as Kapala, our side, he came into there and declared me to we're going 10 a.m. instead of 7 a.m. So yeah, we got 2 extra hours, and today I fall into the sleep. It's about 2 hours behind and 2 hours late. I work today, so typically I needed 2 extra hours sleep today, and this is the great opportunity to fulfill this sleep cycle, and I don't think I could fulfill that sleep cycle, but by the meanwhile I can take some rest, you know what I mean. And it's been raining as I said before, and I'll try to grab some English vocabularies, English videos. I'll be try to download some of these English videos by the way. And I'm frying. I'm a bit of warming our meal, and after that I'll be back to my room and do stuff I need. And by the way, before I go there, I'll definitely upload this video on my YouTube channel, and this is going to be my 4-day video on my channel, YouTube channel. So this is a long journey, and I've made so many videos along the way. So yeah, this is the great milestone, and at the beginning I'm looking for 100, completing 100 videos on my channel. So just looking for it, but nowadays guys, I am trying to make a video, but I have to spend time with my coworkers, you know what I mean. And it's causing me to not creating any videos, especially in front of them. And this was all about, and all this, and about them coming to take this thing to grip the pan, and yeah, it is what it is. And by the way, this is all about today. Keep safe and goodbye.